Today I'm going to show you how to create an ElevenLabs account step by step so you can get set up quickly and start exploring everything the platform has to offer. ElevenLabs is a powerful AI voice tool, and creating an account only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process from the homepage all the way through onboarding, so even if you've never used the platform before, you'll be able to follow along easily. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the ElevenLabs website at elevenlabs.io. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign Up button. This is the entry point for creating your new account, and it will take you to the registration options. If you're using Gmail like I am, the easiest method is to choose Sign Up with Google. That way, you can connect your existing Google account instead of creating a new password from scratch. After you click Sign Up with Google, a Google sign-in window will appear. Here, select the Google account you want to use for ElevenLabs. If you're already signed into multiple accounts, make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you want to keep this account linked to your personal or business workflow. Once you choose your account, Google may ask you to confirm permissions. This is normal because ElevenLabs needs permission to create your profile and connect your login securely. Review the prompt and continue through the authorization process. Next, you'll be redirected back to ElevenLabs where the account setup continues. At this stage, you may see a short onboarding questionnaire. This is optional, but it helps ElevenLabs understand how you plan to use the platform. You might be asked whether you're using it for content creation, personal use, business projects, or something else. Go ahead and answer the questions based on your goals. If you're a creator, choose the option that best matches content production. If you're using it for private or experimental use, select the most relevant personal option. This step helps tailor the experience, so it's worth completing if you want the best setup. Once the onboarding questions are finished, your ElevenLabs account will be created and you'll be taken into the platform dashboard. From there, you can start exploring voice generation, text-to-speech features, and other tools available inside your account. At this point, your setup is complete and you're ready to begin using ElevenLabs. And that's how to create an ElevenLabs account in just a few simple steps. You visited the website, signed up with Google, selected your account, and completed the onboarding process. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy guides on the latest software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.